Welcome to another adventure ride. Today we're riding across a massive black rock plateau that stretches over nearly 500 acres. This place isn't just rock, there are farming lands and small villages built right on top of it. This is a hidden location in Sri Lanka's Sabaragamuwa province near the Ayagama area. The massive rock you're seeing is known as Thalapathgala. From the moment we started this ride, every landscape you're seeing has been carved into this giant black rock. It's an incredible natural formation. Those power lines above us are supplied by hydroelectric stations located beyond these mountains. We'll explore that area in a future adventure ride. You probably noticed this already. Every road here exists directly on solid rock. It's a rare and unusual landscape. The mountain range you see to the right belongs to the western province. We're riding on the Sabaragamuwa side, right on the edge between two regions. Now we're riding toward another side of the rock. These trails are formed on thin soil layers sitting on top of the stone. These roads are mainly used by trucks carrying crops. Where the soil layer is thick enough, people have created farmlands. This land is their livelihood. Right now, this area isn't getting much rainfall, but it still belongs to Sri Lanka's wet zone forest system. We're taking a short break before attempting an Enduro experience on the downhill side of the rock. In the distance, you can see mountain ranges belonging to the Sabaragamuwa province. We've now reached one edge of the rock. There's no real road here. We're dropping straight down the rock slope. This is risky, but let's see how it goes. You can probably tell how easy it is to lose control of the dirt bike on this surface. Did you notice my riding partner positioned above me? This wasn't an easy challenge. If the bike had slipped and fallen here, it could have ended very badly. This is the perfect viewpoint. On my left is the Sabaragamuwa province, and on my right is the Western province. Sri Lanka has 9 provinces, and we're standing right between 2 of them. All the distant mountain ranges you see belong to the Sinharaja rainforest, one of Sri Lanka's most important wet zone reserves. We're now riding near the center of the rock. During rainy days, this surface becomes extremely slippery. We're exiting from a completely different side than where we entered, so there's more adventure ahead. Doesn't this feel like the perfect place for camping? Unfortunately, we don't have enough time to explore every corner today. We've ridden kilometers across this rock. What do you think about the landscape and the adventure? Sri Lanka is filled with natural formations like this. Even if you ride for a lifetime, you'll never finish exploring them all. Take a look at that downhill section we just rode. Evening is approaching, so it's time to leave. Our dirt bikes don't have headlights, and we still have about 25 kilometers to ride home. Both GoPro batteries are almost dead. We'll keep bringing these places to you through future adventure rides. That's it for today. Our humble camera is about to shut down. Until the next adventure, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and support the journey.